Hi and welcome to section 1.1, example 1. Okay, so in this one we want to determine a particular term. So we've got a visual and performing arts group, and they want to hire a community events leader. The person will be paid $12 for the first hour of work, $19 for 2 hours of work, $26 for 3 hours of work, and so on. So you can probably see a pattern forming there. So part A says to write the general term, which means the formula that you could use to determine the pay for any number of hours. So if we said, okay, this person worked 20 hours, we could just plug 20 into this formula to find out how much they would be paid. Okay, so to do this, all right, we're going to be using that general formula for an arithmetic sequence. Right, so it's Tn plus or equals Ti plus n minus 1 times by d. Okay, so what we want to do is identify what we know here. So I kind of like doing this because it's kind of like, I don't know, kind of reminds me of like a physics problem. So we have the person will be paid $12 for the first hour. So that is our T1. That's $12. Okay, then we have that the second hour they're paid $19. So that can give us our D. Right? Our D is always, say, the second term minus the first term. So D equals $7. Right, and does that hold for the next one? The next one would be 26 take away 19, which is also 7. Right, so this is in fact an arithmetic sequence. So we go and we just sub into here, Tn equals $12 plus n minus 1 times by $7. Okay, we could leave it like this. That would be okay, right? Or we can simplify and get, so we're going to distribute the 7 into there. So it's going to be 12 plus 7n, take away 7, and then simplifying we get Tn equals 5 plus 7n, or 7n plus 5. Okay, that's better. That would be our best formula there. Okay, so that's the general term. That's what that's called. This Tn represents the general term. Okay, part B says what will the person get paid for 6 hours of work? Okay, so now we've got our general formula there, and that would be n equals 6. We just sub into our formula, so T6 is what we're looking for, equals 12 plus, oh, no, sorry, not 12, I was looking at the wrong form. It would be 5 plus 7 times 6, so that's 5 plus 42. So they would be paid $47. Okay, and that's what it's asking at. So if they worked 6 hours, you'd get $47.